Hello everyone, we'll be taking the sheet and then we have to cut it like this. Now put the heart shaped papers on the outlines of it with the contrasting color like this, and then you can write a beautiful Happy Mother's Day card and give to your mother like this, and look how beautiful it's looking. Next, we'll be taking a paper cup, cut it like this. Fill it with the tissue paper and the clay as shown in the video. Now we have to take the candies and stick it like this, or just poke it and fix it. Take the upper part of the paper cup to make its handle and put the clay on the sides, and it's done. Next, we'll be making this photo frame. So for that, we'll be needing a wooden cardboard sheet. Apply the sellotape all over it. Now we have to put the clay and then spread it like this with the fingers. Now after that, put the yellow color clay. Make the stems and leaves like this with the green color. Make more flowers in the same manner like this. Make the leaves and make some butterflies on the top, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the golden color paper foils to make this ring. So tie them like this together and then you have to fold it like this. Roll it after folding it one by one as shown in the video. Keep folding it and then roll it like this and fix it on the top, and your ring is ready. Next, we'll be making this tricycle. So for that, we'll be needing these sticks. Join them like this together with the help of the glue gun. Now put the wheels using the water bottle cap like this. Make its back part and make its seat. Make its handle on the back. Make its wheels, and it's done. Next, take the ice cream stick, paste it like this, put the straw over it on both the sides. Now take the water bottle cap and put the glue over it like this and fix it on both the sides. Now we have to put the stick in the between and the batteries like this, put the rubber band and fix it. Now fix it, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking these sticks and put them like this. Now fix the stick in the front by putting small sections. Now fix it on the top. We have to put the stick like this. Take the water bottle caps and then put them together like this, and then make the hole in the between and put the stick like this. Tighten it and then put the cap like this. Fix it on the sides and your wheel is ready. Next, we'll be making this card. So for that, we'll be needing the sticks and the straws. So cut these sticks like this and then we have to paste them with the help of these straws like this. Make the wheels with the water bottle cap on both front and back side. Now make its handle, and it's done. Next, we'll be making this fan. So cut it out like this after drawing the lines and color it with the colorful colors. Now put the stick in the between and poke the needle in the water bottle cap and fix it with the help of the thread like this. Now roll it and your fan is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the earbuds together with the help of a rubber band like this. Now fix it till the end as shown in the video. Now tilt it little bit and tie the rubber bands like this, and your bow and the arrow is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take an egg and remove the yolk from it. Now we have to make the bunny face over it like this. Make its ears by pasting it and put a fairy light inside it and color it like this with the colorful colors, and your bunny is ready. Next, we'll be making this snowman. So take the water bottle cap, fill it with the clay on the back. Now we have to take round papers and then draw the circles and cut it out like this, and then we have to make a snowman on it with the black color cuts like this. Make its hat, beak, make its buttons, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the plastic to make this party popper. So for that, we'll be pulling it like this first, fill the paper pieces over it and then close it, and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.